The 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, XM satellite radio, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.